friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Oscar the Grouch from Sesame Street. So first we're going to get started with the lid on the head, and we're going to start by drawing in a diagonal line that comes all the way over and up on the top right. We're going to come down now and replicate that, so we're going to make that slightly longer, extending that further out on both sides. On both sides now we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches in towards that line in the middle. And then now from here, curving this line back up and in. Again, let's draw in a diagonal line that comes all the way over and across on the right. Now for the handle, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out and then down. Again, on the top, drawing in another diagonal line that comes out, and then a line that comes across. And then we'll just bring that back down on the side. Now let's draw in our face. So we're going to start in the middle, curving this line down, up, and then over. We're going to draw in our eyes underneath this. So we're going to draw in a circle on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing, leaving a small gap, curving this around, and then back up on the right. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a circle for the pupil. And then moving in towards the top, we're going to draw another circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in our pupil black. Now from here, coming underneath for the mouth, on both sides, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches down in the corner. And then we're going to connect this together with a curved line from left to right. Underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing that around and then back up on the side. For the tongue, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then we'll do the same as we come across on the right. Now from here on the side, curving this line up, back in. We're going to curve this line back up, bringing that further across. And then we're going to curve this line back in towards our lid one more time. And then on the left, just arching this line in towards the side. Now let's draw in our face. So as we come around, we're going to arch this line down. From that point, curving this line back in. And then now we're going to come down and draw in our thumb. So we're going to arch this line in for our hand. We're going to curve this line back up towards the top at that point. Coming underneath again, curving this line across. And then we're just going to do that one more time as we come in towards the middle. Leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this line up. From that point, arching this line in. And then again, one more time, curving this line up towards the lid. Now let's draw in the left hand on top of the trash can. So we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down. And then for the thumb, we're going to curve this line in. For our right hand, we're going to curve this line down, bringing this back in on the bottom. Again, curving it up. And then again, one last time. Now let's draw on the trash can. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out, closing off the torso, just curving this line in. Now from here on the side, we're going to arch this line in. And then again, in the middle, we're just going to draw in another straight line that comes across. Let's draw on the side of the trash can now. So we're going to bring this line down, making this slightly shorter on the right. We're going to curve this line out and in. And then bringing that straight down on the bottom. And then on the left, just curving that out slightly as we come down. Now from here, we're going to draw in another curved line, closing that off. And then stepping further down, curving this line all the way around, and then in on the right. Let's draw on the handles on the side now. So we're going to bring this line up, back down, and then in. And then from the side, we're going to arch this line in towards the side of our trash can. Now from here on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line coming down. Stepping further in, let's replicate that. And then we're just going to do that again 2 more times, bringing that in towards the center. From the middle now, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And we're going to line it up with each point. So we're just going to curve this line across. And then again, one last time, bringing this line over. And now we're going to connect these together. So we're going to bring these lines down, and these don't have to be perfectly straight. We can add a little bit of a bend into them from each point as we come all the way down towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Oscar the Grouch from Sesame Street. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.